Hello, my name's Stephanie from Renovation Baby, and today I wanted to show you how we use the Philips Hue light strips in our kitchen to create the under counter kitchen lights. We had an extension done at the end of 2019, so we plan to have under counter kitchen lights installed using the Philips Hue, because we have quite a lot of Philips Hue products in the house anyway. So we used the Philips Hue V4 smart light strips. We've got a 2 metre pack and a 1 metre pack, and they both come with Bluetooth. And we also needed like an extension, like a blanking one, so that we could bridge the gaps and not have lights in every possible bit, because obviously if we ran the Philips Hue strip all the way along the bottom and along this sort of box area, we're just going to have lights showing and everywhere. So we needed to have it under the cupboard units. We needed to think about where they were light strips were going. We also had a plug socket installed up high when we originally had the extension done, so we knew that we could plug it in there. So we've realised that we could do the light strip underneath the cabinet, the blanker across the top, all the way down the bottom, down the back of the gap between the kitchen unit, and then under the cabinet unit. And then, but this meant we had to get the little cables through the back of the units between the wall, and there was just enough space, and we actually screwed on a little nail, well, quite a big nail actually, or screw onto the end of the cable, which then allowed the weight of it to drop down from the kitchen side of the kitchen unit, find a little gap, and then we could attach the blanking cable onto the Philips Hue strip, and then we were able to light up this section of the kitchen units. So it's actually quite simple to do. It comes, all of the Philips Hue light strips come with a peelable sticky adhesive, and you just peel that off and then you stick it to your underside of your cabinet unit. Now you need to make sure that you attach it further away than we did, because we've now got like a bit of a shadow. On the light strips, they've all got little areas where you must cut on those bits, and then you can attach the connectors to each bit. So this, so if you run out of cable, then you attach that one onto there, and then you can attach, as you can see here, the blanking plate onto the end, directly onto the end of the light strip. So we've got ours attached here, like I said, come forwards a bit because we've got a shadow. But once they were on, it was like, right, they're on, we're not moving them now. So you can change all the lights, you can have it whatever colour you want, and it's just really effective, but you can see the shadow here. But as you can see, it means we haven't lit up, or we haven't got any cables showing, we haven't lit up the bit where the extract fan is, we haven't lit up the top of the units, and it's all hidden so no one can see any of the cables. So thank you very much. Click like and subscribe, have a look in the description box below for a link to the blog post.